Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here today. And I have a little dress haul, summer dress haul. I know I've had some people comment they like to see I wear a lot of dresses, especially in the summer here in Arizona. So anyway, I also want to announce that I'm kind of done with Temu, so I'll just keep you thinking about that for a minute, and let's just get started and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much, and I do reply to your comments. So anyway, that being said, let's get to the Temu first. I have bought in the past, I don't know, a year ago, whatever, I had such good luck with Temu. Like, I love, I'd just buy dresses and little flip-flop shoes or whatever to wear in the summer, and they were cheap, and but they were cute, and anyway. And then it started, I don't know, their clothes just started fitting differently or coming cheaper, in my opinion. And I have experience with buying buying these things because I have a lot that I have worn, but then they started coming and I was returning them, and thank goodness they have a good return policy. But so a lot of the things I've shared on videos here are things that I've ended up returning. And so the first dress I'm going to show you is, when I saw it said denim, denim dress, whatever. And so when I got it, it just doesn't really feel or look like denim to me. It's like a kind of a thick, heavy woven, and it's not even cute. And in the picture, it looked really cute, but here it is. Haven't tried it on yet. I'll try to get some pictures of these, but this one, it has black buttons on it, which I couldn't see in the picture of, the girl wearing. They're very cheap plastic black buttons, which I just don't think goes with this style. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm really disappointed. I may get it on and like it, but I'm looking at the arms right now, and the arms don't even look very big. So the clothes are made weird. I don't know. So once I really liked Temu, now I'm kind of like done, but this dress, we'll see. I'm going to see if it works. I actually have another dress coming, but these things now are you have to pay like $2.99 shipping, and then it takes them like 2 weeks to get it ready to even ship, and then it takes another couple weeks. So it's taking almost a month to get some of these products. And so I have one more dress that's coming. Not gonna expect a lot. It looks super cute, and one I would wear in the pictures, but anyway, it hasn't gotten here yet. So I just showed you this one. I don't know if I'll return it or not. Anyway, so I've seen some people wearing or trying. It said Walmart had some really nice spring and summer things. So first of all, I'm going to show this dress that I got at Walmart. So this is from Time and True. It's just a little sleeveless I love the fabric. It's just kind of a little gauzy fabric. It's going to be shorter than I like, but it might even be fun to wear with a swimsuit or something. I think the color, it came in all these bright jewel tone colors. And anyway, so I'm kind of excited to try this because I think this was like $15 or $16. So anyway, I'll try this, let you know the verdict on that one. And then I also got the one I have on. This dress is also from Walmart. The brand is Tierra Sky, which I like to wear. I wear a lot of their stuff. This one ran big, and I even sized down, and it's still kind of big, but I kind of like it. It's a little bit off the shoulders, or I could do it off the shoulders more if I want. But anyway, it's just got some whatever here, just kind of a little detail up here, and it's just just a plain dress with side pockets. Hopefully I'll be able to take some pictures and put them up here. So anyway, so this was my second dress. This one was a little more, I think it was like $27, but it's really a nice dress and I really like it. In fact, I might go get it. I think they had it in black. I might go get it in black and just maybe size down one more size. So the next dress I got is from Bloom Chic. I've never, I know I got through, I've seen a lot of stuff advertised on Instagram of this. I have this style dress already that I really like. This one's kind of a blue seersucker. So you can see the fabric. It has just little ruffles, short, kind of a short sleeve ruffle, V-neck. So I'm going to try it. I'm hoping it fits okay. It might be big. I just didn't know what size. Now that I know them, you know, or I've got this order, I'll see how their sizes are fitting on me because I'm not sure yet, but we'll try that on. And then I've got, these are also from, and I just thought these might be something I'd wear around the house. I don't know if they're good to go out or not, but these are Tierra Sky, and this is just another kind of like the other one, but it's a little bit longer, and it's just kind of a knit dress. Looks really comfortable to me, just to throw on and just kind of lounge around the house. So anyway, so I got this a little bigger than I normally get too. I think I got it like one size bigger than I normally get, but we'll see, you know, because I kind of like them bigger, baggy, but I don't know, I may have gotten the wrong size. So there's that one. Now these were really cheap. I can't remember how much they were, but well, I think it has a tag on it so I can check, huh? So nope, the price, it doesn't say the price on it. So anyway, so there's that. And I also got a black one just like it. So I'm into the blacks and the pinks, you guys can tell. But anyway, so that's it for those. And then I got 3 more of these, which I like in the summer too. These are just little dresses. They're just, I don't know, they just feel so good. They're kind of they're not really stretchy, but they're like kind of a silky polyester, and they're just really comfortable to wear. Another thing I like to wear every day around the house. So anyway, so I got this, and it came in 2 other colors. So it came in a set of 3, which was a really good deal for these. And I got it in pink and blue. So pink, blue, and black. So there's those. So, yeah, I'll have to try them all on and let you know how it works. I think that's it out of here. Yeah, so tell me if you like any of these, let me know. I'm hoping I got the right sizes. I don't know. Anyway, I think I might have gotten some of them a little big. So, but anyway, so that's it for these dresses, for my little dress haul. And so I hope you liked it. Let me know if you liked any of them, what you liked best. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.